you're tired of watching videos after videos and clicking and hoping to make money online, but at the end of the day, you meet up with empty promises and sometimes scam, you might have to pay attention to this video because I'm going to show you different ways that you can make money online that is purely legit. Today, I'm showing you real 5 ways that you can make money online that actually work. The methods I'm going to show you, they are 100% beginner friendly. And the good news is you do not need tons of money to start. No, you need just very little amount of money. And sometimes you don't even need any money to start. Not only that you do not need any money to start like upfront, you can start earning straight away. So stick around till the end because I've got bonus strategy that could make all the difference for you. First up is freelancing with AI. Now, how does this work? If you have your phone, you have internet connection, and you have a little bit of curiosity mindset, this particular one is actually for you. You have platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, that allows you to earn via those platforms. All you need is put up your gig and you start earning. And let me quickly say that this is very easy. If you do not know how to put up your profile on those platforms, just go to the platform, look out for the profiles of people that have already put up their gigs on Fiverr and Upwork. Check out the way they have done it and just put up your profile like that. And another good thing with Fiverr and Upwork is that you are the one to determine how much you will get paid when somebody asks you to do a gig for them. Now, here is the twist in all of this. You can actually use AI to help you do all the heavy lifting. For instance, AI like ChatGPT. If you want to write an article, you use ChatGPT. If you want to design, say, a logo, you use Canva. And if you want to sell your digital product, like you've used Canva to design your ebook, you can use Midjourney or Dell-E. So this tells you that you don't need to be an expert. Just use the tools available to deliver value to people and you earn. I know it will surprise you to know that some freelancers earn between $500 to $2,000 monthly. This could change the whole thing for you. And earning this kind of money just starts with just your first gig. You need to start for you to earn this kind of money. So the second one is selling digital products. One good thing with digital products is you produce it once and you sell it as many times as possible. Yeah, like you can produce a course once and you're selling that course as many times as possible. You can produce an ebook once and sell as many times as possible. This is one of the most passive income streams online presently as we speak. Now, which products can you put together and sell as digital products? We have budgeting templates, fitness planners, printable wallpapers, even simple ebooks. All of this, they are digital products that you can put together and earn using them. Now, you have put together your digital products. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip, they help you to put them together and you start selling even without spending any dime. And yeah, so these products are things that you can put together using free tool on Canva. Remember, Canva has the free tool and they also have the paid one. So as a beginner, you can start with the free Canva template. They have a lot. So if you want to design, say, ebook, you get beautiful templates on Canva that you can use for free to use and design your ebook and write your ebook and you start selling. Now you've put your ebook together. What platforms can you use to promote? You can use Pinterest, you can use TikTok, you can use Instagram or any of your social media platforms to promote your digital product. And the thing is this, you might not earn like $10,000 a month, but let's say you earn $20 here and there, $100 here and there. All of this does add up. Then as a beginner, imagine earning $100, $200, $500. It does add up. Before you know it, you'll be making more money than you even anticipated. Now, what if I told you that you can make money on YouTube without even showing your face? Yeah, it's called YouTube automation channels. Many people now, they have faceless channels. They create content without showing their face, and those channels are monetized as well. You also can do the same thing. The very first thing you need to do when you want to do YouTube automation channels like faceless channel is you need to pick a niche. There are niches on YouTube that is blowing up in this 2025. Niches like motivation, tech, and celebrity news. These niches are blowing up like crazy. Then when you've picked your niche, use AI to script, voice, and even edit the video. You can use ChatGPT to script your videos. 11 Labs for voiceover, and Pictree for video creation. It makes video creation very easy to manage. Some faceless channels, they earn thousands of dollars a month, all through the ad revenue from YouTube. We know that YouTube, through the AdSense, pays people money. So think about this faceless channel. Not only the ad revenue, you can also add affiliate links to your videos. That also is a means of you earning money on the on YouTube channel. So the trick here is consistency is definitely the key. One good YouTube video that you've created can earn you a lot of money over and over and over again for so many years to come. So the fourth one on my list is affiliate marketing. Yes. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products and services and you get paid a commission. This is simply what affiliate marketing is. So with affiliate marketing, you don't need to create any product. All you need is promote the links of the product you've gotten from the affiliate platform. And if anybody clicks on your link and buys that product, that is when you get paid a commission. It is as simple as that. There are platforms, affiliate marketing platforms like Amazon, like ClickBank. So, like I said, you don't need to create anything. All you need to do is helpful recommendations. For instance, you can recommend Amazon products. You can recommend digital courses. And you can also recommend software tools. Now, how can you even share your affiliate links? You can use blogs. You can share your links on your YouTube video descriptions. You can also share your links on TikTok. So there are platforms like ClickBank, Impact, and Digistore24. These are beginner-friendly affiliate marketing platforms that you can start with. And what you need to do is start with one niche. Like I mentioned before, you can start with tech, you can start with fitness, or you can start with personal development. And then you become the go-to between in that particular space. Good news is even small traffic can turn into $10, $50, $100, $200 a month if you have the right strategy. So the next one is online courses and coaching. If you've ever taught someone something before, guess what? You can turn that into online course or coaching. Now there are platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare that allows you to sell and market any course at all on their platforms. Now these platforms allows you to create courses on any particular thing at all, like Excel, yoga, cooking, freelancing, and whatever you can think of. Or if you do not want to do courses, you can go one-to-one and start coaching. You can coach on Zoom and people pay you to be a part of your coaching program. So many people, guys, do this and earn up to $1,000 a month just by coaching and selling online courses. So what do you need to do this? Just one skill that you have, and you must have a willingness to help people. The bottom line is, if you're out and genuinely interested in helping people, that's where the money will start rolling in. Okay guys, so here is your bonus method. And this method is great for beginners. Yeah, it is called microtasking apps. These apps allows you to complete and get involved to little tasks on these apps, and as you're getting involved with them, you're getting paid. Testing websites, then answering surveys, because there are surveys on the platforms. They want you to give your honest answer to those surveys and you get paid. Okay, so now you've done this, but let me quickly say that the money you're gonna earn from these microtasking apps, they are not life-changing, but at the end of the day, they do add up. And the another thing is, this is fast cash, money you can get as quickly as, and something that you're doing by the side anyway. If you're interested in all of these microtasking apps, you can try ClickWalker. You can also try user testing or respondent.io. So these are platforms that you can use to engage on all these microtasking apps. Again, this is perfect for somebody who is starting from zero, like you do not have any money at all and you just want something that can earn you money fast. Try this. So guys, here you have it, my 5 legit ways that you can make money online in 2025. Plus, remember I gave one bonus to get you started fast. If you find value in this video, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more weekly updates on how you can make money online. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments. And again, do not forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever I drop videos like this, you will definitely be notified. Okay, so don't forget to check the description for all the websites that I have mentioned in this video. I have their links in the description below. And yeah, so this is where I'm wrapping it up. I hope to see you next time. Bye.